3, 2, 1.
Joe Tinker shortstop, John Evers second baseman, and Frank Chance first baseman were the two from the famous double play combination for the Cubs. Who was the third baseman? The answer is C. Harry Steinfeld. Which country is the world's largest democracy? The answer is B. India. Which singer holds the record for most #1 singles on the UK singles chart, with a total of 24? The answer is D. Cliff Richard. In which western did Lee Majors star before going on to play in The $6 Million Man? The answer is A. The Big Valley. What is the name of the brightest comet observed in history? The answer is A. Halley's Comet. How is the lemur II classified according to its diet? The answer is A. Omnivore. What are the two components of the autonomic nervous system? The answer is B. Parasympathetic and sympathetic. Which capital has the most populous urban agglomeration globally? The answer is A. Tokyo. Which music artist is known for the single Uptown Funk? The answer is B. Bruno Mars. Which economic system focuses on the individual and his or her free will in matters of production and consumption? The answer is C. Laissez-faire economics. Who won the Best Actor Oscar for Schindler's List? The answer is D. Liam Neeson. Which animated series features a family of mutant superheroes? The answer is B. X-Men, the animated series. What is the hardest mineral known to man? The answer is A. Diamond. What is the process by which a zygote develops into an embryo?
The answer is D. Mitosis.
What is the name of the chemical compound responsible for baking powder's leavening effect? The answer is A. Sodium bicarbonate. Which author wrote The Hunting of the Snark? The answer is B. Lewis Carroll. During which process do animals increase in size? The answer is B. Growing. In 1990, I was sold to Juventus for £7,700,000. Not to mention, I scored 24 goals in 40 games with Fiorentina. Who am I? The answer is D. Roberto Baggio. Blazing Saddles was a comedy western about the first black sheriff in the West. Do you know who played the role of Sheriff Bart? The answer is C. Cleavon Little. Cirrus, stratus, and cumulus are types of what? The answer is A. Clouds. What are the strongest chemical bonds? The answer is C. Covalent and ionic bonds. A lightning bolt can produce what voltage? The answer is C. 1 billion volts. Which piece of written work starts with the line "The sky above the port was the color of television, tuned to a dead channel"? The answer is A. Neuromancer. What is it that you write with, but can't read? The answer is A. Pencil. Vincent D'Onofrio starred as pulp writer Robert E. Howard in the film The Whole Wide World with Renee Zellweger. What heroic fictional character was Howard's most famous creation? The answer is D. Conan. What is the study of the properties and behavior of light called? The answer is B. Optics. What is the Roman equivalent of Zeus? The answer is D. Jupiter. What is the term for water that contains one or more dissolved substances? The answer is C. Aqueous solution. In a game of Pinochle, what is the second highest ranking card? The answer is D. 10. In great apes, what process lasts 8-9 months and usually results in the birth of a single offspring? The answer is D. Gestation. Lymphoma is a cancer of a type of what type of cells, called lymphocytes? The answer is D. White blood cells. All living organisms must have what ability in order to make more organisms like themselves? The answer is C. Reproduction. What Australian pop duo performed the 1990s hit To the Moon and Back? The answer is A. Savage Garden. The assassination of what political figure essentially brought on World War I? The answer is B. Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria. Who played the role of Eleven in Stranger Things? The answer is A. Millie Bobby Brown. Which term means fear of spiders? The answer is B. Arachnophobia. What is a touchdown worth in American football? The answer is A. 6 points. Which of these nicknames has been given to the U.S. state of Nevada? The answer is B. Silver State. I let you talk to friends on the other side of the world instantly. Who am I? The answer is C. Internet. What is the title of the book where Sherlock Holmes fights Moriarty? The answer is B. The Final Problem. What fruit bears the Latin name Citrus grandis?
The answer is C. Grapefruit.
Who invented the doll that says Mama? The answer is A. Alexander Graham Bell. Which Greek god is associated with wine, ritual madness, and ecstatic poetry? The answer is B. Dionysus. When matter reacts, there can be what that comes from nowhere and is unaccounted for. The answer is C. Mass. Which of the following is not a state of matter? The answer is D. Plasma. What country are Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid trying to get to throughout the self-titled movie? The answer is A. Bolivia. Which of these is one of Black Sabbath's former names? The answer is C. Earth. Ripe fruits are usually red, orange, yellow, or what? The answer is B. Purple. Which country is the ancient home of chocolate? The answer is D. Mexico. What French officer was killed in 1754 by Washington's army about 6 miles from future Fort Necessity?